And my target and my standing point, by the way, after I got to the third position, my standing point raised up to $3,731. If you see over here, this is my standing point, and my target for in order to cash out is 3,400. If it's gonna get to that point, how much I'm gonna make, I'm gonna show you over here. If I'm gonna get to that point, and I'm gonna be over here, I'm gonna be in profit of 3,000. If you follow my cursor again over here, guys, so $3,960.04. That's gonna be my profit. And if I'm gonna show you based off the percentage, how much is gonna be percentage wise, is gonna be over here 1,110%. That's gonna be my return on my initial investment. So based off that, I just wanted to give you some sort of updates what's basically happening. But remember, guys, the market has no mercy. I don't know how many times I have to repeat myself over and over again. The money management is crucial. The money management in this market is very crucial. If you don't know how to manage your market, your capital, so at some point, if you're gonna get greedy, at some point it's gonna kick you out. So you gotta be patient, you gotta be good at money management, and you gotta protect your capital. That's your first response to the market, right? So you gotta watch your capital to the point that is not gonna kick you out of the market. That's really important. I'm gonna upload the last video. I'm assuming it's gonna be a last video for this position. Basically, my target in order to get to the position for the fourth time, which I can afford, and it's gonna be my last position. If the market is gonna go against me every $1,000, for me, for the last position and risk more, it has to go against me really high in order to satisfy me in regards of my positioning, and it's gonna get to the point that I'm gonna feel comfortable with. I'm gonna say, okay, that's the last highest high, and the market cannot push over that, and as a result, I'm willing to risk more, and I'm gonna get to the market. Other than that, I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna be patiently watch the market. I'm gonna wait for it until it's gonna hit my target, and it's gonna be the end of that position, and I'm gonna walk away with almost $4,000 profit, which is a lot, to be honest with you. In this kind of market, $4,000 is not a small money based off if you're gonna ratio based off your initial investment and how much you're gonna make on return on your investment. That's a big profit, and it's not small. So that's a considerable profit. So stay tuned. Check out our Cronquist Academy on our YouTube channel, and also you can check out us again on the Instagram. And by the way, if you have any question or concern, I would be happy to answer. If you can leave me a comment over there, and I'll see you back over there. Until that point, stay tuned, trade happy, be careful, and try to protect your capital at all times. Thank you.